USA in the shootout. So now we're doing country versus country hockey game. Full out hockey game. 3 minutes a period. 3 periods. Let's see who can win now. I am, well, as you can tell, part of Canada. Let's see if we could win. Alright. Miller's in.
Hi everybody, I'm Gary Thorne along with Bill Clemente. Great to have you back with us for some more exciting hockey.
EA Sports Arena, boys.
Between Canada and the Americans.
Let's be in between Canada and the Americans. Alright, guys. Let's play some hockey.
Richard's interception, that's a good one. That is great anticipation.
Oh!
Up the wing to Kane.
Let's go, Richards! Oh! This is what I'm talking about. Sorry if you hear yelling, that's my little brother. OV. Oh, Brooks Orpik! Don't let him get up the side, don't let him get up the side. Boom! Alright. Let's take this face off. One-timed it. Oh! Oh no! Oh, it sucks because I don't know how to check with this now. So after this period, I think I'm going to have to pause the video and figure out the controls. Because all I know how to do right now is poke check. Oh my god. Oh, chase it, chase it. Icing. Alright. Let's go.
Team USA's face-off victory, controlling it in their own end. Well, we've had one big collision, but in honesty, Bill, I thought we'd see more. Well, sometimes teams seem to take a night off from the rivalry. Maybe we're seeing one. Snap that one.
Get it out of there, guys. Short-handed chance. Oh, in alone. Come on, Heatley. Deke. Let's go. Oh. There we go, guys. First period's over. I'll see you guys in a second. I gotta fix the controls. Guys, I fixed it. Let's start the second. Yeah, there we go. Oh, darn it. Offside. Alright.
He has won and been a champion at every level, including winning Memorial Cup with the Kitchener Rangers in 2003.
Oh. Oh no, I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. Gotta get this game done. Boom! Oh! 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 Aha! Alright. Let's go. Come on, Crosby. Deke. Oh, blocked it. Alright! Alright, guys. Let's go. I gotta rush through this. I have a deadline now. And no! Oh, penalty shot. Oh, no. Oh, thank God I'm not in it. 1-0 USA. Darn it! Oh. Come on. Oh, I would have had a breakaway there. Alright, guys. Let's start the third. We're down 1-0. Let's see if we could win. See if we could win for Canada. But yeah, guys, if you're wondering, I'm recording these all on the same day. I'm doing like a little recording session. So if you do comment on a video, yes! Crosby scored. I'll finish my comment after. Woo! Sidney Crosby. Woo! Alright, let's go. Let's go score another one, boys. Alright, yeah, so don't worry. Your comments might come in, your game comments might come in another episode. if it's a tie, guys, I'm just going to consider it a tie. I won't go into overtime or anything. I'll just consider it a tie. Hopefully we won't go have a tie, though. Oh, that's a fight. Joe Thornton's gonna walk. Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's see if that'll contribute to anything. Save. 1 minute left in the third. Oh. Come on, let's go. Stop wasting time. Yes! Yeah, we won! We won! Yes! Alright, guys. We'll see you later. Goodbye. Canada won. USA sadly lost. See you guys later. Goodbye.